I have come with comparing fractions. What first of all you should know about fraction. What is fraction? A whole equally shared part of a whole is called as fraction. Equally shared part means here two things is there. So how many parts are there? 8 8. See here, whole parts 8 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So each and every part have shared equally, so it is called a fraction. So comparing fractions, see here, today we are discussing about comparing fractions. How can you compare fractions? So here, see Nana, with me two chalk pieces are there. See here, how can you compare which one is the larger? So you can say this is the larger one. How can you compare? By observing these two pieces you can know easily. By seeing only you will say, yes teacher, this is the larger one and this is the smaller one, like that you will say. So in fractions, how can you compare? First of all you should know what will be there in a fraction. A fraction has a numerator and a denominator. A numerator and a denominator. So this is called a fraction. So these all are fractions. So these all fractions are having, this is numerator, it is numerator, and down also one more number is there na? This number is called as denominator. So like this, a fraction has numerator and denominator. Coming to the numerator will show in a fraction how many parts have shaded or how many parts have been counted. So numerator will show us how many parts have been counted. And coming to denominator, what is denominator means? The whole parts in a fraction. The denominator always will show us whole parts in a fraction. So see here Nana, here 8. 8 means this denominator means whole parts. So how many whole parts are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, like that. So here also 8. 8 whole parts, 8 equal parts are there in this fraction. By observing this fraction only you should think, okay, here 8 whole parts is there, so 5 parts have been counted. So first of all, in these two fractions, which one is the biggest one? So compare these two fractions. How can you compare? See here Nana, numerator will show us how many parts have been counted. So here how many parts have been counted Nana? 5. So we should shade that parts. 1 2 3 4 5. So we should shade these all parts. So here I am shading like this. So I have shaded 5 by 8. 8 means 8 whole parts Nana. In this 5 have been shaded. So here how many parts have shaded? 8 whole parts is there. If you have any doubt you can count. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. 8 whole parts is there. That 8 whole parts have been divided into equal parts. So in this 3 parts have shaded. So 1 2 and 3. 3 parts have shaded. So in these two, between these two fractions, which is the largest one? Means how many parts have shaded more? In which fractions we have shaded more parts? Yes, you are correct. In first case we have shaded more parts than the second part. Suppose simply I would like to explain to you. Simply, if these two are pizzas, you think these two are pizza pieces, pizza. So who ate more? First one or second one? See here Nana, one pizza is there with me. I have divided into 8 equal parts and I have eaten 5 parts. So only 3 parts have remaining here. Here I have ate only 3 parts. 5 parts have remaining here. So here, which is the largest one? Means in which case I have ate more? Yes, in first case I have ate more pieces, like that. So this is the largest, greatest fraction. So you have to write like this: 5 by 8 greater than 3 by 8. Okay teacher, you have told, you have explained with the help of pictures. So how can we compare these all fractions, you will ask me. So in this cases also you can draw pictures. See here Nana, 6 by 7 and 2 by 7. So numerator is showing 6 and denominator is showing 7. So denominator always indicates us whole parts in a fraction. So here whole parts, how many is there? 7. Here 7 is there. So 7 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay na? So here 6 parts have shaded. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 6 parts have shaded. So these many parts we should shade. This is 6 by 7 and this is 2 by 7. Means only 2 parts here we have shaded. So which is the greater fraction among these two? Yes, this is the greater fraction. So you should write here 6 by 7 is greater than 2 by 7. Okay teacher, you have told. So here denominator is showing same number. So in next problem, here denominator is showing 3 and here denominator showing 4. Yes Nana, this is called, these two fractions are called unit fraction. 1 unit. So in 1 unit they have divided into 3 equal parts. 1 by 3. See here Nana, 1 by 3 means 1, 2, 3. And here 1 by 4. 1 by 4 means 1 whole Nana. It is 1 whole. Means this much only. 1 whole. So in this 1 whole only they have divided into 4 equal parts. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Like this. Unit fraction means that fraction, that those all unit fractions is showing only 1 unit. So here 1 by 3 and 1 by 4. So here 1 part means this much. So in these two fractions, which is the greater one? This is the greater one because of little bit more is there. Here we have taken little bit more than this fraction. So this is the greater fraction. Next also, this is also a unit fraction. And see here 1 by 8 and 1 by 5. So here I would like to draw a picture belonging 1 by 8. 1 by 8 means 1 whole. 1 whole. 1 by 5 also means also this is also a unit fraction. This is 1 by 5. Means what? See here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think you have understood now. See Nana, in 1 unit only they have divided into 5 equal parts. In that 1 unit only, here in this case we have divided into 8 equal parts. So here 1 part shaded means this much only. Here 1 part means somewhat more than this. Yes, no? So which is the greater fraction here? This one or this one? Yes. In second case we have shaded more part. So this is the 1 by 5 is the greatest fraction. So like this. Next 3 by 5 and 2 by 5. 3 by 5 and 2 by 5. See here Nana, without drawing any picture you will say here 5 whole parts is there. See here 3 parts have shaded. Here only 2 parts. So this is the greater fraction. If you have any doubt, I will draw the picture. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So here also 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This is 3 by 5 and this is 2 by 5. 3 by 5 means 3 parts have shaded. 2 by 5 means only 2 parts. So which is the greater fraction? Obviously 3 by 5 is the greater fraction. So in this way you can compare the fractions very easily Nana. So by drawing the pictures also you can understand very easily. I hope you have understood about comparing of fractions. Thank you Nana. Thank you very much. I will come back with one more new topic. Till then, bye.